In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide followers on LinkedIn and conceal your follower count from other LinkedIn members. Whether you're looking to maintain a bit more privacy or simply want to manage your professional network discreetly, these steps will guide you through the process quickly and efficiently. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the LinkedIn homepage. If you're not already there, you can simply type LinkedIn into your search bar and click on the official website link. For those of you who might not remember the direct web address, this is the perfect way to ensure you land on the right page. Once you're on the LinkedIn site, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. You'll find this button prominently displayed, usually at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and enter your email and password to access your account. Now that you're signed in, navigate to the LinkedIn homepage. This is essentially your dashboard, where you can see your feed and all the latest updates from your connections. From here, look towards the top of the page and click on your profile photo or the Me icon. This will take you to your profile, where you have the option to edit and adjust various settings related to your account. In this step, you need to look for the Settings and Privacy option. This is typically found in a drop-down menu that appears once you click on your profile photo or the Me icon. Clicking on Settings and Privacy will transport you to a page filled with various controls for managing your LinkedIn experience. Here, you want to direct your attention to the Visibility section. This section allows you to govern who can see certain aspects of your activity and profile information. Inside the Visibility settings, locate and click on Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. It's important to note that this area is vital for managing how others interact with your profile. As we move forward, the next option you'll need to click on is Followers. This is where you get to control who sees your list of followers and the number of people who follow you. By following through these steps, you can successfully hide your followers and your follower count from other LinkedIn members, granting you a little more privacy and control over your online presence. Remember, it's always good to periodically review your account settings to ensure that your profile remains just the way you like it. If at any point you want to modify these settings again, you can always come back and make adjustments as necessary. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.